Allegheny, York. Pressure Inverting Pedestal Rings. PIP, or Pressure Inverting Pedestal Rings, convert Type B loaded lip seals into bidirectional seals, to provide excellent bidirectional piston sealing in hydraulic applications. The PIP ring conforms to the beveled sealing lips of the Type B loaded lip seal to provide extrusion resistance, when pressure is applied to the heel side of the seal. The PIP ring profile requires only a single seal groove for installation. This eliminates the use of two loaded lip seals on the piston to save space and increase bearing length. PIP rings are made from a harder durometer urethane material and may be split for easier installation. Temperature range, -60 degrees Fahrenheit to maximum working temperature 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure, 0 to maximum working pressure 5,000 pounds per square inch.